Good morning, dear children. A warm welcome to our English class. How are you, my dear students? Are you happy? Hope you are safe at home and going on with your studies. Am I correct? As it is lockdown days, you are getting a lot of time, isn't it? Tell me, how do you spend your leisure time? Do you read books or doing any other activities? Oh, what did you say? Watch movies. Okay, very good. All of us like to watch movies. Okay, children, look here. Here we have some famous personalities. You just try. Can you identify them? See, who is the first one? Charlie Chaplin. Do you like his films? Okay, very good. Then, who is the second one? Akira Kurosawa, the Japanese film director. What about the third one? Who is that? I know that you are so familiar with this personality. Adur Gopalakrishnan. We have seen so many films of Adur Gopalakrishnan, no? Okay. Now, I am going to allot you a simple work. That is to prepare a profile of any one of these personalities. You can collect the points from any source. Did you understand? You can search internet or you can get it from any other source, whatever it may be. Prepare a profile of any one of these personalities. Did you understand? Today, we are going to enter into a new unit, that is the second unit, titled The Frames. In the previous unit, we were dealing with the harmony's beautiful nature. Don't you remember? But here, we are going to deal with the film world. Okay? See, the whole unit itself, it says about the films. I mean the technology to shoot a film. Okay, come to the unit frames. It is divided into three parts. First one is a memoir, Project Tiger, written by Satyajit Ray. Then the second one, that's a screenplay, My Sister's Shoes, written by Majid Majidi, the Iranian film director. Okay. Then we have a song here, that is Blowing in the Wind, written by Bob Dylan, an American singer as well as a writer. Okay, children, I think now you got a clear-cut idea about this unit. So, now let's watch a video. All of you look here. Don't you like to see video? here, children. Here we saw some animal characters. It's a part of an English film. Have you seen such films in Malayalam? Yeah, very good. Mohanlal's Pulimurigan. Then our Dileep's Ringmaster. How nice to see, no? See, this is also such a film, an English film. There we saw some animal characters. See, just you imagine how difficult it is to shoot such a film using these animal characters. Really, it is a great task, no? Okay, that's what we are going to deal in this unit. So, before we enter into the lesson, let's know something about our writer, that is Satyajit Ray. Children, here we have the profile of Satyajit Ray. Let's go through the profile. Satyajit Ray was an Indian filmmaker. Ray was drawn into independent filmmaking after meeting French filmmaker Jean Renoir and viewing Vittorio De Sica's Italian neorealist 1948 film Bicycle Thieves. Ray directed 36 films, including feature films, documentaries, and short films. He was also a fiction writer, publisher, illustrator, calligrapher, music composer, and film critic. He has also authored several short stories and novels. Yes, now you got an idea about our Satyajit Ray, the writer of this lesson. As I told you earlier, this lesson, the Project Tiger, it's a memoir. So that we will have to know what a memoir is. Memoir actually means a historical account or a biography written by or written from personal experience. Did you understand? A historical account or a biography written from one's own personal experience. എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഓർമ്മക്കുറിപ്പ്. മെമ്മയർ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഓർമ്മക്കുറിപ്പ്. സത്യജിത്ത് റായുടെ ഒരു ഓർമ്മക്കുറിപ്പാണ് ഈ പ്രൊജക്ട് ടൈഗർ എന്നുള്ള ലെസൺ. Okay. Shall we start the lesson? Let's study the first 3 paragraphs today. Project Tiger. No one can beat Hollywood when it comes to making films with animals in them. I remember films in my childhood, and there were quite a few of them that had an Alsatian called Rin Tin Tin. This dog's acting was more impressive than a human's. Later, we got to see 3 or 4 other films with a collie called Lassie. It seemed that the director could make Lassie do just about anything. These trained dogs were famous stars in their own rights, and the money they earned was no less than what a real film star got. Their owners could easily make as much as 100,000 rupees from just one film. I realized how reverently these animal actors were treated when I happened to see the shooting of a film 20 years ago in Disney Studio in Hollywood. The main character in this film was a large dog. I reached the studio to find that the shooting had not yet started. The cameraman was getting the lights ready. It is customary for actors to be present when the lights are arranged, for they have to show the cameraman how they'll walk or where they'll stand in a particular shot. In the case of very famous stars, this job is done by their stand-ins. A stand-in is usually a person who is physically similar to the real star. The stars themselves arrive only when the lights are ready and it's time to take a shot. Here, in Disney Studio, I noticed that a few actors were moving about in the set, and on one side, standing quietly, was the protagonist, the same large dog. The cameraman shouted to everyone to take their positions, but the dog remained where it was. This puzzled me. Could it be that it was not required in the next shot? Till now, we were going through the reading passage. Let me want to know whether you understood it or not. Which are the 2 dogs mentioned in this paragraph? Yes, Rin Tin Tin and Lassie. Why does Ray still remember Rin Tin Tin? Okay, good. its acting was more impressive than humans. One more question. Locate the word which means attractive. Correct. Impressive. Now, it's the time for you to read the passage silently. Read the first 3 paragraphs. And while you read, just find out the difficult words. Clear? Okay, good. Now you went through the reading passage and you got some unfamiliar words. Let's see those words. Which is the first one? Impressive. What do you mean by impressive? Impressive means attractive. Second one, reverently. Reverently means respectfully. Okay, then there's another word, protagonist. Protagonist, main character. Then customary. Customary means habitual. And one more we have puzzled. Puzzled means confused. Now you got an idea about the difficult words. Clear? Now let's have a brief study of the first 3 paragraphs. Tell me, dear students, how does the reading passage begin? Yes, no one can beat Hollywood when it comes to making films with animals in them. This is the first sentence of our reading passage. That means the whole content of this unit is there in the sentence. Is it clear? And comparing to other film industry, that is Bollywood and Mollywood. What do you mean by Bollywood? Bollywood means Hindi film world. Then what about this Mollywood? Malayalam film industry. So comparing to this Bollywood and Mollywood, it is in the Hollywood. Hollywood means English film world. It is in the Hollywood that we can see more animal characters. Did you understand? In the Hollywood films, we can see the films using animal characters more than that of Bollywood and Mollywood. Okay, I told you that Satyajit Ray, the writer, describes how difficulty to shoot a film using animal characters. That's what is dealing or going to deal in this lesson. Okay, my dear children. So, in the opening of this reading passage itself, Satyajit Ray remembers about his past experiences that he had seen, the films which he had seen during his childhood days. The main characters or the protagonist of these films were 2 dogs. One was an Alsatian called Rin Tin Tin, and the other one was a coolie dog called Lassie. See, do you know, Ray says that their acting was more impressive than human beings. We familiarized the word impressive. What is meaning impressive? Okay, attractive. Their acting was such much impressive than that of the human characters. And also they were considered so reverently, so respectfully, just like we consider our famous film stars. Clear? And it says that their owners as well as the directors of the films, they earned a huge amount of money using these animal characters or these dogs. So clear? Again, Satyajit Ray shares another his experience which he had in his childhood days. 20 years ago, he happened to visit the Disney studio to watch a film shooting. Have you heard about Disney studio? Where is it located? It's in Los Angeles in California. Okay, let's move to Disney studio. Look here. there in the Disney studio to see the film shooting. Do you know what he saw there? An animal character was the protagonist of that film, a large dog. We familiarized a new word, protagonist. What's the meaning of protagonist? It's already studied. Main character. The main character of this film, it was a large dog. This was the first time our Ray understood how reverently these animal characters were considered or treated. Another new word is here, reverently. What do you mean by reverently? Respectfully. See, when he reached there, cameraman was getting ready the lights. It was a customary for the characters to perform their activities or actions in front of the cameraman. That means how they move, where to stand and where to move, so and so. So all the characters, all the human characters, they were so busy in doing all these activities or these actions. But our dog, the protagonist of this film, the main character of this film, the large dog, he was simply standing there. And everybody treated him so reverently. This was a little bit confusing for our Satyajit Ray. Ray thought, why it is so? Everybody is so busy in doing their actions, while this dog, it is simply standing there. Why it is so? It was really an amazing incident or really an amazing experience for our Satyajit Ray. Actually, in the case of the famous film stars, their trial shots were done by stand-ins. Clear? Trial shots were done by stand-ins in the case of famous film stars. Who is the stand-in? What's the meaning of stand-in? Stand-in is another person similar to the real character. A person similar to the real character. So let's see what happened here. Why this animal character, the large dog, is simply standing there. Let us see it in the next class. Before we wind up this session, I am going to give you some simple assignments. First one, that is to attend the first two textual questions. Clear? The questions are provided here. You just write the answers of these questions in your notebook. Okay, then one more we have, that is to prepare the profile of Satyajit Ray using the hints given. Prepare a profile of Satyajit Ray using the hints given. Do these activities in your notebook and keep it with you. We will meet again in the next class. Till then, be safe. Goodbye.